Good morning guys. Today we release another defense counter with judo strike. So for instance, your opponent complete for you like that. So all you have to do is uppercut, outside block with side elbow, hit to this portion, then clip the arm, insert your body through ipon shinagi. Execution like this. For instance, this strike. So thank you so much guys. This is Nationwide Combat Karate Association Incorporated. So try to subscribe to my channel YouTube at Manuel Pyro. Thank you so much. Let's stand over back.